Heidi Klum exuded an ageless supermodel glamour when she was spotted dashing around Soho in Manhattan this Thursday. The 52-year-old Teutonic blonde draped her hourglass figure in a tight black leather dress with a slit up one side to showcase her shapely legs. Her strapless ensemble was cut low enough to serve up a generous helping of cleavage as she sauntered across the sidewalk. Letting her signature golden locks cascade freely over her shoulders in gentle waves, she sharpened her luminous complexion with naturalistic makeup. Klum warded off the rays with a large set of geometric sunglasses, accessorizing with a black leather handbag that matched her dress. She brought the look together with a glistening pair of teardrop earrings and a set of black hose and balanced expertly on a pair of towering stilettos. Her latest sighting comes after she candidly addressed months of speculation about her changing figure on her new docuseries On and Off the Catwalk. Many say, "She's too fat or too thin or pregnant, but I am not pregnant. I am just a little fatter now. It's the menopause," said the former Victoria's Secret angel. The show followed her conducting her modeling career alongside that of her daughter Lenny, 21, a collaboration that has seen her faced with fierce backlash. 3 years ago, Klum found herself at the center of a roiling controversy more than once because she starred with Lenny in lingerie shoots for Intimissimi. During the second controversy, which unfolded in May 2023, the blowback grew so intense that Klum turned off her Instagram comments. Nevertheless, she and Lenny were back in the saddle last month, co-starring in another Intimissimi underwear campaign in defiance of fan outrage. Klum co-parents 4 children with her ex-husband Seal, her daughters Lenny, 21, and Lou, 16, as well as her sons Henry, 20, and Johan, 19. She had her 3 younger children by Seal, who also adopted Lenny, the product of Heidi's dalliance with Italian businessman Flavio Briatore. Since 2019, the fashionista has been married to the dashing Tokyo Hotel guitarist Tom Collitz, 36, who like her originally hails from Germany. A few years ago, Klum reflected on the fact that her current husband is a significantly than she is, a fact that has drawn plenty of online scrutiny. "I am 50 and no longer 20. I am not a young girl who hasn't experienced anything yet or has no idea about life," she acknowledged to Glamour UK in 2023. "Time won't stand still for me and Tom will never catch up with me. He'll always be 16 years older, and I am aware of that," Klum continued. "I know that I will look older than him sooner. Maybe it will be a problem for me in 10 years' time. Maybe he won't like it then," she reflected. "In 20 years, I'll be 70. I usually plan for the future, but with my husband, I live in the here and now," shared the North Rhine-Westphalia native.